Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. So we have x plus y equals 4 and x cubed minus y cubed equals 26, and from these two equations we to solve for the value of x minus y. So to solve this, solution. So we have the first equation, x plus y equals 4, equation 1. We have x cubed minus y cubed equals 26, equation 2. So looking at this from equation 2, we can write this as in brackets x minus y multiplied by x squared plus y squared plus x times y, and this equals 26. Next, looking at this right here, x squared plus y squared. If you have a squared plus b squared, this equals in brackets a plus b all raised to power 2 minus 2ab. So this whole equation becomes in brackets x minus y multiplied by in brackets x plus y all raised to power 2 minus 2xy plus xy, and this equals 26. So with this, we have in brackets x minus y, and this is multiplied by. So looking at this right here, x plus y. Recall that from equation 1, x plus y equals 4. So writing down 4 to replace x plus y, this becomes 4 squared. Then we have minus 2xy plus xy, the value equals to minus xy, and this equals 26. So from here, we have in brackets x minus y multiplied by 4 squared is 16 minus x times y, and this equals 26. Next, we call this equation 3. Now, the next thing we're going to do is to solve for the value of x times y. What is the value of x times y? And to do this, we're going to make use of this identity that if you have in brackets x plus y all squared minus in brackets x minus y all squared, this equals 4xy. So from here, we are going to solve for the value of x times y. So to do this, recall that x plus y from equation 1 is equal to 4. So 4 squared minus in brackets x minus y all squared equals 4xy. Next, divide this equation by 4. Divide by 4, divided by 4 to solve for the value of x times y. So x times y equals 4 squared is 16 minus in brackets x minus y all raised to power 2 divided by 4. Now, we have gotten the value of x times y. We are going to input this value into equation 3. Equation 3 is this right here. So, writing this value down, we have in brackets x minus y multiplied by 16 minus x times y, and this equals 26. This is equation 3. So inputting the value of x times y, this value right here, into this equation, this then becomes in brackets x minus y, then multiplied by 16 minus x times y is this. So we have 16 minus in brackets x minus y, and raised to power 2. So raised to power 2 divided by 4, and this equals 26. 26. So with this, at this junction, we are going to say let x minus y, x minus y, x minus y equals t. So we'll say that let x minus y equals t. So this equation then becomes, we have t multiplied by, so we have t multiplied by 16 minus, so from here 16 minus x minus y is t, so t squared. So we have minus 16 minus t squared all over, we have 4 equals 26 all over 4, and this equals 26. Next, we can write 16 as over 1 and look for the LCM of 1 and 4. So all over 4. 1 will divide 4, 4 times 16, 64. Then 4 will divide 4, 1. 1 times this, that will become minus 16, then plus t squared. And this is then multiplied by t, which equals 26. Next, at this junction, we are going to multiply this equation by 4 to eliminate this 4 right here. So times 4, then times 4. So 4 will cancel 4. 64 minus 16, this will give us 48. So t times 48, 48t. T times plus t squared is plus t cubed equals 26 times 4 equals 104. Next, move 104 over to the left hand side. What we have is this, that we have this equation. We have t cubed, then plus 48t, then minus 104, and this equals 0. So at this junction, we are going to try the value of t to equal 2, okay, whether it's a solution for this given equation. So this becomes, we have 2 cubed, then plus 48 times 2, then minus 104, will it equal 0? 2 cubed is 8, plus 48 times 2, 96, minus 104. 8 plus 96, 104, minus 104. This will give us 0, which equals 0. So since it equals 0, the value of 2, t as 2, is a solution. The value of t as 2 is a solution, while the value of t minus 2 is a factor. This is a factor for the given equation, for this given equation. So we can then rewrite this equation as this right here, that we have t cubed minus 2t squared plus 2t squared minus 4t plus 52t minus 104, and this equals 0. So from here, we can factorize out t squared from this. We have t squared into bracket t minus 2. Factorize out plus 2t from this, plus 2t into bracket t minus 2. Factorize out plus 52 from here. We have plus 52 into bracket t minus 2, and this equals 0. So we have a common factor, t minus 2, t minus 2, t minus 2. Pick one in bracket t minus 2, and then group the ones outside the bracket. So we have t squared, then plus 2t, then plus 52, and this equals 0. So we can equate this to 0 or equate this to 0. We have t minus 2 equals 0, or we have the other equation, or we have this, or we have t squared plus 2t plus 52. This equals 0. So from this equation, t minus 2 equals 0, the value of t is equal to 2. And why for this equation? We'll solve this equation making use of the quadratic formula. So the formula which is given by, with respect to t equals minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And in this case, the value of a is the coefficient of t squared, 1. The value of b is the coefficient of t plus 2. The value of c is the constant, 52. So inputting these values into the given formula, we have the solution for t, that t equals minus b is 2, then plus or minus square root b squared 2 squared minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 52 divided by 2 times a is 1. T equals minus 2 plus or minus square root 2 squared is 4, minus 4 times 1 times 52 equals minus 208, all over 2 times 1 is 2. And with this, we have the solution of t to equal minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 208 equals minus 204, all over 2. And we have t equals minus 2 plus or minus square root of minus 204 can be written as square root of 4 times square root of minus 1 times square root of 51 divided by 2. So t equals minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2, square root of minus 1 is I, then times square root of 51 divided by 2. So looking at the numerator, we have a common factor 2. Factorize out 2. The value of t equals, we have 2 into bracket minus 1 plus or minus I times square root of 51, and this is divided by 2. 2 we divide 2, we have the value of t right here. The value of t is equal to minus 1 plus or minus I times square root of 51. So with this, we can get the second and the third solution for t. Meanwhile, the first solution of t is equal to 2. So writing this down, that the first solution of t1 equals 2. Now with this, the goal is to solve for the value of x minus y. But then recall that from here that we said let x minus y equals t. Writing this down, that the value of x minus y right here, that x minus y is equal to t. Okay, so with this, the value of x minus y, the final answer for the value of x minus y is equal to t is 2, t2 is minus 1 plus I times square root of 51, and t3 is minus 1 minus I times square root of 51. So these are the solutions for the value of x minus y. So with this, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Do also like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. God bless you.